Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to reduce system data on Mac. First of all, we will reduce system data on a Mac by removing cache files. Press Command plus Shift plus G and a panel will pop up on the screen. In this window, follow the path to go to your library. Once you're inside the library folder, find the caches folder and open it. Here, you will see a list of cache files. Just find the ones you think are no longer needed or are safe to remove. For example, I will remove the Safari cache. So first, right-click on it, and from this menu, click on Move to Bin. This will remove the cache files and help free up storage. In this way, you can check for more unnecessary cache files and remove them. There is another method to reduce storage. Let's close this window, and after that, from the top left corner, click on the Apple icon. A menu will open on the screen. Find and click on System Settings. The Settings panel will appear on the screen, and from the left menu, go to the General section, and after that, from the right side, open Storage Settings. This settings page may take a couple of moments to complete loading. Just wait patiently. Once the loading is complete, you will see all storage details, including applications, documents, and system data. You can enable recommended options like Store in iCloud, Optimize Storage, and Empty Bin automatically. These will help you reduce storage usage. You can also delete unnecessary applications or documents. Simply click the info icon on the right side, and a pop-up will appear on the screen. Here, you need to find and select a file that you want to remove, and then click on Delete. Confirm your action in the pop-up to remove it. After removing cache files or documents, make sure your bin is empty. Find the bin and right-click on it. From these options, choose Empty Bin, confirm the action, and that will free up your storage. And that's it. This is how you can reduce system data on your Mac. I hope this video is helpful. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.